Hi, this is Regitze from Greatness Advertising. When should you use the traffic campaign objective? I'm here in my own ad manager, so I'll show you exactly what it is. Here you go to create a new ad. So first you set up a new campaign, and here we have the campaign objectives. And at the bottom we have awareness. That is simply just people who, like it says, show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. So that's really vague. The second one is traffic, and that is where you send people to your destination, like your website, app, or Facebook event, and so on. So it gives you link clicks, landing page views. It's also Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and you can use it for calls. But you should always use the campaign objective for the end result that you want. If you want sales, then use the sales campaign objective. If you want leads, use this lead campaign objective. Because if you use the traffic campaign objective, you're just gonna get traffic, and usually not too many sales, if any. But it makes sense if you're sending people to a page where you can't track the sales, like an Amazon page, or an Etsy page, where you can't track the sales. Then it makes no sense to use a sales campaign objective, because it is more expensive. Then you can use the traffic campaign objective. But in any case where you can track the sales, and use the sales campaign objective, or the leads campaign objective if you want leads. Because Facebook knows which people who are likely to purchase or to become leads. Their algorithm is very smart, and it knows its users. Another reason where you can use the traffic campaign objective is if you just want people to go to your website and read a piece of content or watch a video. And this can build up trust, and you can later retarget those people who read your article or watched that video, and then hopefully convert them later to become clients. So I hope it makes sense. Comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends. Click that notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. If you want us to do all this for you, then we're an ad agency that specializes in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. If you want to learn more about it, you can book a call with us. There's a link in the description for that. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. Take care. Bye.